Tonight I'm going to make grilled steak and shrimp kebabs. First I'm going to get the grill started. Some good charcoal of your choice. I got my grill lifter upper. Chopper lighter fluid. Be careful not to blow yourself up. Now I'll get those charcoal going, and then I'm going to put the pecan wood in. First I'm going to season the shrimp. And I like using Cavender's, not sponsored, on everything. I'm going to put them on skewers. Looks like it's going to take 2 skewers. I don't want to get the shrimp too crowded on the skewer. Now drizzle a little olive oil on them. And add a little more seasoning. So these are ready to go on the grill. And then I gotta season the steaks. Okay, now I'm gonna pat the steak dry, get the moisture off. Then I'm gonna put some olive oil on there. Rub that in a little bit. And season the steak. Put a little more seasoning on here because it's going to lose a lot of flavor on the pit. Turn it over and do the other side. Okay, now the steak is also ready to go on the pit. Now that I have the charcoal going, I'm going to put the pecan wood in there. I picked these up off of the lawn that fell off a pecan tree when it was windy. So I'll let that pecan wood burn a little bit. I still got to let the charcoals go down some before I put the food on. But the pecan wood is already starting to burn. That'll add some pecan smoke to my steak and shrimp. Okay, the shrimp kebabs and the steak, it's ready to go on the grill. Don't want to walk away from the shrimp. It takes a couple of minutes. The steak, I like 135 medium rare. Look at that smoky goodness from the pecan wood. The shrimp is almost done already. Hot, huge hot. Couple of minutes at this high heat, the shrimp skewers are done. Maybe I cooked them a little too long. I need to turn the steak over and get out of this smoke. Look at that, it's looking good. I want the steak at 135 degrees. Okay, the steak is a little bit over 135 degrees, and it's good for me. Steak looks very tender. The steak and the shrimp are done. Okay, I'm going to make some homemade veggies. Since I made these at home, microwavable steamers, but it's homemade because I made it at home. Okay, now my homemade vegetables are done. We plate them up. Plate up my steak and my shish kebabs. And try them out. A little bit of fat off of there. Looks tender. Steak is very tender and tasty. Try some shrimp off the shrimp kebab. Turned out pretty good. And some homemade veggies. Very good meal. So everything turned out delicious.